So I'm starting on the ceiling today. I've got the wood links. I finished the installation, put the wire that I need, which is really the only one from the solar panel. But now I'm putting these big long links up to cover the ceiling. But it's close to impossible by myself because I need to hold both ends at the same time. So I've stacked these boxes on top of each other just to hold the first one up at least the roof height, so I can then start to screw them in. And I think once I've screwed one in, hopefully the rest will be a bit easier. But we'll see how we go, and I'll show you a bit once I've done half the roof. I can't do the whole roof today because I'm still waiting for the shower frame to be covered in its outside, but we'll wait and see. So I've got two up now. You can see I'm propping it up with this stuff. Be a hell of a lot easier with two people. I busted one bit of wood because it fell down and split itself. But you can see it gets a bend in it too, this wood. So it's even harder to line up, but I think it'll be okay. I've got to cut a hole in this one, which is going to be exciting. We'll keep going there. So I've ran out of, I can't do any more roof. Any more ceiling at the moment. I've done over the door and this part of the ceiling, but I can't do any more because the shower unit's got to go in. So that will determine how long these beams are on this side of the van. So today I'm making a template here to fill this part in. I've put insulation behind it. I'm going to make a template, cut it out with ply, and then fill up this hole. So that's the and the same on this side. That's the plan for today. So I finished these things now. One here, one on this side. They turned out pretty good. I had to cut them on the tailgate of the car, but that's alright. So the insulation's covered over now. I'll varnish them in the end so it's nice and clean. But that's the end of the van. The doors, it's a bit hard to see, but so that's good. But really not sure what I'm going to do now because I still need that shower unit before I can do much more. So I'll just have a think. So I've just picked up my shower, which is very exciting because I can put it in. The shower goes in, if you've seen some of my other videos, the shower goes in behind the driver's seat. And this is the shower frame that I made up, and I got stainless steel, I think this is stainless steel, sheeting to wrap around the inside of the frame that'll make it waterproof. And so I've got should just screw in silicone, and then the water drains at the bottom, which I'll show you later. But in order to get the shower in, I have to take this apart piece by piece and put it back in here in the right order, and then these go in numbered in the right order. Hopefully it works, but we'll see. It's not just a matter of putting it on the frame and then just sliding the frame in, because it won't fit like that. And we'll see how we go. So I have the shower frame back in now. So it seems it wasn't easy to put back together. I had to screw it down at the front, down here. Screwed in the old screw holes that held the wall in, the cargo barrier. I glued the floor plate to the floor so it didn't vibrate. Yeah, so I'm going to try and add the tin now. But it's very hard because you've got to put it together piece at a time like a Rubik's Cube. And if you can't do it permanently because you might have to take it out because you've got the order wrong. So you've kind of got to do it twice. You put it in, make sure it's right, take it all out, then put it back in with the glue in, knowing that it fits, and then glue it and screw it so it's in forever then. It's a bit fiddly, but I'll keep going. I'll add the tin now. Back wall is first and then sides and roof. So the back pedal's in. You can see here. It's not bad, it fits. Like it's up. Where's my finger? It's on the inside here. The inside here. Down the bottom it's pushed in. Touching and touching. I put the side panel on that covers that. Not easy there.